very close to, Joseph McStay, his wife, and their 2 sons. And by then, the McStays have been missing nearly 4 years. Their disappearance gave rise to any number of theories, including some implicating Mexican drug cartels. Tonight, though, the man that's accused of capital murder is the same man who sat down with our own Randy Kay. Randy joins us now. Randy, you sat across from this guy, Mary. What was he like?
We had been trying to get an interview with him. It had been almost 4 years since they disappeared by the time we had spoken with him. And we sat about this far away. We spent an hour together. He was so calm. He was very friendly. He talked to our crew. He was very relaxed. He seemed he was warm, but he showed no emotion at all.
And we're going to show this interview in just a moment.
Yeah, and you can see he's wearing a big cowboy.
What was his motivation for talking?
Well, he said that he wanted to set the record straight. I guess he had spoken to a couple of smaller newspapers, and he felt that his quotes were taken out of context. So he said to us, I'll sit down, I'll spend some time with you, and I want to set the record straight. And this is what he told us.
All right, let's take a look.
You were the last person to saw.
I'm definitely the last person we saw.
Chase Merritt, in his
I don't know if you can handle them.
Talking about his final
But I made these for you.
The day McStay and his
Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, I'm going to put music to it.
The interview was January of this year. The McStays had disappeared.
I wish that light wasn't on there.
I don't know why. Oh,
Oh, it's this light.
Merritt was McStay's
Oh.
partner, and
Now
said
cut it
as a
off.
close family friend.
Like
The
that.
two met for lunch that day, and
This thing is incredible.
It's incredible, but it's consistent with someone who wants to control his own image. They're very conscious of being having a good image. They also are, you mentioned it earlier, they're pathological liars and people that do have traits of psychopathy. They're very arrogant. They're smarter than everybody else, and they can get through it. And they're smarter than the interviewer. Whether it's a journalist or an FBI agent. I've been in interviews like this, and I've had them go like do the interview and say, I would never do something like that.
When you're dealing with somebody like this, and again, he's just in charge, yes, he's just so it could be innocent. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. But I mean, when you watch an interview like that, right, is there any way, there are signs you look for as a trained profiler, as an interviewer, or there are signs you look for?
There are indicators, and I think did a great job. You want him to be on center stage. You want him to do all the talking. You want him to manifest all the behavior. And if a video is played during the trial, you want the jury to see the differences in terms of how he answers questions. So, for example, he's thinking about the polygraph, thinking about why this was happening, but Randy said, ask him about whether he was the last one to see their father. He said, I'm definitely the last person he saw. So that really compared to the rest of his comments, it was really pretty interesting. So you do what Randy did. You let him talk. You let him have center stage. The more you let someone like that talk, the more they'll put out there and they'll not guard it. And so that's what you want them to do. It's hard to get them not to turn around and say, yeah, I'm the person that did it.
Yeah, Randy, I mean, looking, again, in hindsight, it is fascinating that he insists he's the last person to see him alive. How would he know that? Have the police given any sense of motive, potentially?
they haven't. I mean, they talk a lot about the fact that they were in business together, but they're not talking about a motive yet.